For today's sweet treat, you need peanut butter cookie mix, vegetable oil, water, Reese's Pieces candies, mini chocolate chips, and candy eyeballs. Combine the dough, oil, water, chocolate chips, and candies together. Do not add the candy eyes yet. Place the dough into 1.5-inch balls and place them 3 inches apart on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake the cookies as directed. As soon as you take them out of the oven, press the candy eyes into the hot cookies. Not only do the cookies look spooky, they also taste delicious. They will be great to serve at your Halloween bash. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.